Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Breaking Point. The match has already started, and yeah, all we have to wait for. So, yeah, whenever I play this, like, I always get killed the first night, and this might be my first run not doing that. Yeah, this will be fun. Should I change my avatar? Please check in the comments what I should change it to. Oh, right in the comments. Pretty good at this. I haven't made one so long. Sorry for the long videos. I haven't recorded in so long. It's just really weird. But well, I'm bringing one to you guys. So yeah. Let's not talk right now. She just turned to me and I was like, "What's with you?"
Is your pasta done?
I think so. Let's vote for her. Hold on. I'm making a video, Mom. So, what's this one where you vote for two people? Okay.
You're really low on Fox mac and cheese.
So, guys, I am trying to get her killed. Bleh. No one's voting for me yet. Oh, it's not. Yes, this is who will win. Oh, she won. Yeah. It's definitely gonna be him and her. Definitely. Okay. And he won. Okay. Yeah. So guys, later today I'll be reacting to the some videos. Stay tuned. Well, I'm not doing this video yet. But so just ignore these. Oh, I died. Okay, guys. Just on the match.